Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can recover your Roblox account. So if you've been using Roblox for a certain while but seem to have forgotten either the username or the password associated to your account, but you still want to retrieve all the data and information and want to keep using the account, I am going to show you how you can recover it so that you can begin using it again. So for this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to roblox.com. As you go to roblox.com, you can see here that you'll be asked to enter your login credentials like your username, email or phone and your password. But since you've forgotten your password or your username, tap on that option below the login option. After you tap on the option, you will now be directed towards a page that will ask you for either your phone number or your email to reset your password. So if your account is associated with a phone number, make sure you use your phone number, or else you can also do it via email. So I'm just going to do it via email and show it to you. So now I'm just going to enter my email address over here that is associated to my account. So make sure that you remember this. And after you do this, tap on the submit button. So here it says an email with instructions has been sent to you. So tap on OK and then go and see if you've received any sort of email from Roblox that will help you to recover your account. So here I'm just going to wait. So here, as you can see, I've received an email from Roblox. I'm just going to open it and see for myself. So here I'm just going to open it and then tap on reset password. Open it with a certain web browser that's more convenient for you. I'm here using the Google Chrome. So after this loads, you will now be able to set up a password. So I'm just going to tap on this and then set up a new password. So here I am setting up a new password. Confirm the new password by retyping it again and then tap on the submit button. And now you'll be directed towards the login page again. So here you can use your username and also use your password in order to log into your account. And if you get logged in, it'll simply mean that your account recovery will have been successful. So this is how you can recover your Roblox account, irrespective of the fact that you had forgotten a password or the username associated to your account. I hope that this video has been able to guide you through the process, and if it did, do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification so that you do not miss out on any of our future tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, you guys. I'll see you around in the next video.